Okay, hi viewers, you're welcome to Coach Alpha YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make money online and what you can do to make money online. I'll also be showing the strategies that you can put in place to make money online. Now, if you're a new viewer to my channel, I would like you to click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified when I do my other videos. And if you're already a subscriber, I'll say welcome back to my channel. Alright, in this video I want to show you how you can use the new WhatsApp status update. You know, it has been going rampant now that you using your voice note to make a post on your status. Now I want you to look beyond the fun of it, maybe the fun chat of it, or what people are using it for. Now I want you to look into the business world and see how you can make money through this thing. You know, from what I do, I'll teach you how you can make money from what you already know. Now, on your WhatsApp status, you can literally make money. You now leveraging on the voice note, then you can make super money. You can make all super money. So I'm going to show you what you can do. So you have to follow through the class. Now, first thing you have to do, maybe if you have an online community on Facebook or on other platforms, you can actually do like a flyer showing them a particular training that you want to do. Now, if you charge each person $2 and you have, let's say, you have 15 people join your training, it's $30 and you do this weekly, for example. But before I do this, I have to show you how to use your new WhatsApp status updates, because some people don't know how to. So I'm going to show you how to use your new status WhatsApp update. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store to go and update your WhatsApp. Let's go to the Play Store to go update our WhatsApp. Let's go there, sir, to go update our WhatsApp. So you may want to come here and you press a WhatsApp business, or then I've already updated mine. If in your own case, you can just click update, then you open it. So when you open it, you have this. Okay, so no, we are actually working on our WhatsApp status updates. So you come to your status. Now, you know, you have this pen and this picture. You know what this pen stands for? Is for you to type something. And you know, then you have this this for your emojis. If you want to use your emojis, you can start to use emoji or stickers. This for changing of your text, and this for the background color. I'm sure you are very familiar with this, right? So you can leverage on this. Then what next you want to do that you may want to do is to use a voice note. You see, once you cancel out the text part, the voice note will pop up. This is what you can do once you have already updated your WhatsApp. You cannot achieve this if you have not updated your WhatsApp. Actually, I did update mine and it did not reflect immediately. It reflected after some days. So you may want to update your WhatsApp now and it didn't see that. You have to cool down, right? You have to cool down and wait for, let's say, 2-3 days till it reflects. I just noticed that after 4 days of updating my WhatsApp business, it didn't show on the first day. I thought my WhatsApp has a problem until I wait a while and I see that it has been updated, right? So you want to hold on to this like you always do in your normal post. Like you hold on to this, then you know, because I'm actually using a screen recorder, so I can't record the same way. So all right, so if you want to hold on to that, if I play this now, listen to what I'm saying since. Okay, so that's just that about that. So when you do that, you just post, because I'm not posting this, I'll just delete it. Alright, now let's go to the business part of it. How you can make money with your WhatsApp business. first thing you have to do is you have to have a community group like this. Now, how do you get people to fill your community? Like, you may want to create a flyer about your training you want to do and put the price. Remember, you can't just set up a training without having what you want to do. You must have a problem you want to solve. You must have what you want to solve. You must have what you are doing, right? So before you can actually solve someone's problem. Now, let's say I want to create training on how to make money online, and I decided to use my WhatsApp status to also train, so that I don't want to have, putting people in a group. If you are in Nigeria, you understand, it's very dangerous for your business, because other group members can poison your group members' mind, so that they may not really buy what you're selling. So you may not want to do a group thing, right? You just have to get them a link and get them save your contact. Let me show you an example of what I'm saying. Now, this is someone who just showed interest in my training. Now you can see my name is David. I would like to apply for OBLS. Thank you. Now, this person, I will not be adding him to the group, but I will ensure that he sent my contact. You see now, kindly save this contact as OBLS and type done. Now, once this person saves my contact, I will send the person a broadcast message, so that the person can get notified when I want to start my online training. So the person will have to be notified when I want to start my online training. So this is one of the things that you may want to do, right? Now, once you put that person in your training, in a group, then you have to send them a broadcast message. Now, once you send a broadcast message, now you can tell them that you're about to start the training. Then you do all your training on your status. Now, you can just do a simple recording on your status. Know how we go about it, right? So you just click on the recording this, and then you go with a recording. Now, you can host a 30-minute training for those that participate. Imagine you have more than 30 people pay you $2 to get your training, and this training won't cost you like 30 minutes. Then you train them, then you offer value. Now, imagine $2 times 30, that's $60. Combined to your country currency is a whole sum of money, a whooping money. Now, if you do this weekly and you have people join you on a weekly basis, this is side income that you may want to look into. Now, aside from the fun of you chatting with your new WhatsApp status update, you can as well make money with it, right? If you get value from this video, I would like you to click the subscribe button and also click the bell, so that you can get notified when I drop my next video. Now, should you want to ask any question, the comment section is open for you to ask. Do much more to come to the comment section, ask questions. I'm always open, and you can as well join our WhatsApp community. The link is there for you to join. Don't miss out. I remain Coach Raphael. Ensure you like, share, and subscribe till I come away again. Thank you.